In the heart of the Atlantic, a mystery shrouded in enigma exists, the Bermuda Triangle. A three-point labyrinth of intrigue stretching from Miami to Bermuda to Puerto Rico. It's been said that over 1,000 lives have been lost within its grasp, with no clear explanation. Beneath the waves, ancient city ruins spark theories of Atlantis' lost civilization. Above, unexplained aviation disappearances ignite rumors of alien abductions. An area of 27,000 square miles, yet the Bermuda Triangle holds more secrets than we can fathom. Some attribute these phenomena to magnetic anomalies, others to violent weather. But the truth, it remains a mystery, lost in the depths of the triangle itself. As we delve into this enigma, remember, the Bermuda Triangle is not just a place but a symbol of the unknown, the unexplored and the unexplained. A reminder that in a world where knowledge is power, there are still mysteries that elude our grasp. Join us on this journey of discovery as we attempt to unravel the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle. The only certainty? Every theory brings us closer to the truth, yet the truth remains as elusive as ever. So, sit back, open your mind, and let the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle consume you. The Bermuda Triangle, an enigma wrapped in a mystery, shrouded in the unknown. Welcome to Top Thangs, where we dive deep into the world's most captivating mysteries. Today we unravel the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle, separating centuries-old myths from the hard truths. Join us as we journey through the triangle's history, explore scientific explanations, and debunk the myths that have mystified millions. The Bermuda Triangle, dissecting mysteries and separating fact from fiction. Introduction. The Bermuda Triangle has captured the public imagination for decades as a notorious modern-day supernatural mystery. Located in the western North Atlantic, this region outlines an approximate triangle shape between Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico. Over centuries, ships and airplanes have allegedly gone missing or experienced mechanical or instrument anomalies in this area under bizarre circumstances. Unexplained disappearances gave birth to myriad theories involving paranormal or extraterrestrial influences that have fueled sensational books, movies, and television shows. However, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most concentrated maritime traffic zones on Earth, with millions of miles logged by vessels and aircraft each year. While tragic disappearances do occur, their frequency is no greater than any other major traveled waterway when accounting for traffic volumes. Many of the most famous incidents have mundane explanations or now discredited accounts. By separating verified facts from exaggerated folklore and analyzing plausible natural and human causes, the Bermuda Triangle's true reality emerges as far less mysterious. This video will thoroughly examine the history, lore, and science surrounding the Bermuda Triangle to establish what is known and separate it from hyperbole. It will describe the prominent theories attempting to explain alleged disappearances, from rational environmental and navigation causes to the sensational supernatural claims. Ultimately, the evidence points to the Bermuda Triangle as an ordinary geographic region inflated by myth and poor statistical reasoning into an enduring pop culture phenomenon of mystery. Overview of the Bermuda Triangle. The area referred to as the Bermuda Triangle covers approximately 500,000 square miles of open ocean beginning around the tip of Florida, continuing eastward along a line from Miami toward Bermuda about 1,000 miles away, then completing the shape toward the island of Puerto Rico. This outlines a rough triangle with the Florida Straits comprising its western edge, the Bahamas comprising much of its northern boundary, and the Caribbean islands its eastern and southern reaches. While the exact boundaries blur, the core area enclosed is a heavily trafficked swath of ocean traveled by ships and aircraft on routes between North America, the Caribbean islands, and Europe. The proximity of the United States' southeastern coastline and the numerous Caribbean islands make this a principal maritime passageway. Hundreds of thousands of ships and tens of thousands of aircraft yearly transit the region, legally transporting both passengers and cargo. Beyond routine maritime traffic, the Bermuda Triangle also serves as a major fishing area, supporting both commercial and recreational vessels. Shipwrecks from the colonial era abound due to its status as an early Atlantic navigation corridor between the New World and Europe. As a result, the Bermuda Triangle has seen centuries of intensive maritime activity and resulted in the tragic loss of ships and lives before the modern age with detailed records. Origins of the Bermuda Triangle legend. The first intimations of the Bermuda Triangle entered popular culture in the early 20th century. Writers like John Wallace Spencer and Vincent Gaddis published books on the supernatural like Invisible Horizons and the Deadly Bermuda Triangle beginning in the 1960s that sensationalized disappearances. These volumes repeated stories of ships and planes vanishing without a trace, while speculating about supernatural forces and mysterious geometry within the triangle. The rise of paperback publishing empowered fringe authors to package cases of disappearances into coherent mystery narratives for mass consumption. This spurred lasting public interest, even if many accounts lacked credibility. The disappearance of Flight 19, a U.S. Navy squadron of torpedo bombers that vanished in 1945 while on routine training exercises, became a central focus. Only fragmentary radio communication and wreckage explanations fueled theories of bizarre atmospheric conditions or even alien interference. The subsequent loss of a Navy search aircraft that also vanished only amplified the sense of inexplicable mystery. While tragic, these wartime disappearances exhibited no unique or anomalous attributes compared to many other losses that routinely occurred during peacetime maritime travel and military operations. However, the lack of clear answers combined with an air of officialdom from the Navy's involvement provided fertile ground for outlandish speculation to propagate. Popular books rehashed the Flight 19 case along with dubious historical accounts of lost ships and planes throughout the area. Victims of poor record-keeping from earlier centuries and improbable survivor accounts, several alleged ship disappearances lacked conclusive evidence. However, in the absence of facts, supernatural theories provided appealing narratives. One particularly lurid example involved the USS Scorpion, a nuclear submarine allegedly lost to mysterious circumstances in 1968. In reality, its wreckage was eventually located in 1973, revealing its likely destruction after striking an undersea mountain. These strands came together in the 1970s, as popular culture began portraying the Bermuda Triangle as an area of immense mystery, where supernatural forces interfered with travel and navigation. Shows like In Search Of, with Leonard Nimoy and Pulp Fiction paperbacks cemented the area's reputation as hazardous for seemingly inexplicable reasons. The mystery grew entrenched in public consciousness, even as more skeptical analysts questioned the factual accuracy of most accounts. Theories attempting to explain triangle disappearances. Given the tantalizing mysteries surrounding the Bermuda Triangle, numerous theories have emerged attempting to rationalize or explain the alleged disappearances of ships and aircraft. These theories span rational, environmental, or human factors along with more fanciful conjectures of supernatural or extraterrestrial intervention. While sensationalized accounts stoked public imagination, more sober assessments highlight a litany of natural and mundane explanations. Natural factors. Weather. The Bermuda Triangle sits in the corridor of North Atlantic shipping traffic and near the hurricane capital of the Caribbean, making it vulnerable to rapid and unpredictable changes in tropical weather patterns. Rogue waves, microbursts, downdrafts, and swift intensification of storms could imperil underpowered ships and aircraft, especially prior to modern meteorological forecasting. However, modern vessels can easily weather inclement conditions in the area. Rogue waves. Some scientists theorize that rogue or freak waves up to 100 feet occur more frequently in deep water currents around the Bermuda Triangle. These spontaneous walls of water arising from atmospheric disturbances or geological shelves could swamp or capsize ships and boats, leaving little evidence behind. Witnesses aboard the USS Wilkes in 1964 observed a massive 110-foot wave that seemed to arise spontaneously during calm weather, lending credence to the theory. Methane gas bubbles. The seafloor contains pockets of natural methane gas that may rise periodically in concentrated bursts, a phenomenon observed in the Gulf of Mexico. Theories suggest large methane bubbles engulfing ships or aircraft could stall engines or cause explosive conditions that rapidly sank ships, again leaving little evidence behind. However, only isolated anecdotal evidence exists of natural flame phenomena in the triangle. Compass anomalies. The close proximity of the triangle to the North Magnetic Pole caused fluctuations and uncertainties in compass readings prior to modern electronic navigation. 19th century sailors reported compasses spinning uselessly in some areas. These magnetic variations could have caused navigational errors, especially during the age of sail. However, the effect remains modest and predictable today using isogenic navigation maps. Human explanations. Navigation and piracy errors. Imprecise navigation before modern instruments, charts, and mathematics could easily account for many unexplained disappearances. Add in careless seamanship, overloaded or poorly loaded cargo, and lack of safety regulations, and many disappearances were likely sinkings or strandings from routine human error. Furthermore, piracy remained an endemic problem worldwide until the mid-20th century, providing rational motives for attacks and scuttling of certain ships. World War II. Maritime losses. During the Battle of the Atlantic in World War II, U-boats and naval mines took an immense toll on Allied shipping traffic. Thousands of ships carrying millions of tons of cargo sank in the western Atlantic, including inside the Bermuda Triangle. Many of these war incidents went unreported or attributed to vague causes. Deaths were to be expected in total war, reducing notoriety for disappearances. Spatial load factors. The dense maritime traffic experienced in the Triangle region, one of the heaviest in the world, means numerous ships and aircraft operate simultaneously in a relatively confined area. This raises the odds of more disappearances compared to open ocean. Furthermore, exploratory risk-taking by military vessels and recreational boats often takes them into treacherous conditions beyond what professional cargo ships would encounter. Overconfidence combined with higher traffic volume likely accounts for many losses. Hurricane and storm impacts. The tropical maritime climate in the Triangle exposes the region to major hurricane tracks each season. Hurricanes like the 1932 Cuba hurricane, 1966 Inez, and others likely account for many missing ships and planes that failed to ride out intense storms. The debris trail left behind by powerful storms quickly dissipates in the open ocean, leaving little long-term evidence of destruction visible by subsequent rescue efforts. Technical failures. While mysterious instrument malfunctions aboard ships and aircraft have been cited as evidence of paranormal influences, more prosaic mechanical issues provide rational explanations. Faulty spare parts, improper maintenance, overworked equipment, and crew inexperience can cause navigational disruptions, loss of communication ability, and engines or electronics to fail. This is true worldwide, not just the Triangle. Paranormal theories. While more prosaic explanations account for most disappearances, a residual aura of mystery remains due to the lack of definitive evidence for certain disappearances. This provides space for pop culture, supernatural theories about the Triangle to thrive, even if the evidence is circumstantial at best. Extraterrestrial abductions. Many theorists speculate UFOs or alien technology captured ships and airplanes, leaving behind little physical evidence. Radio anomalies, energy signatures, and unexplained lights or objects in the sky are cited as circumstantial proof of visitation. However, most people accept now that alien abductions of entire vessels strains credulity. Of all theories, extraterrestrial ones lack the most hard evidence. Vortices and space-time warps, geometric attributes of the Triangle, lying along a slender path from Florida to Bermuda to Puerto Rico, have led to speculation about a naturally forming electromagnetic vortex that disrupts navigation or even warps space and time. Alleged mysterious disappearances contribute toward a theory of ships and planes vanishing into another dimension. However, controlled energy grids observed in no adjacent areas of the globe lend little scientific weight to this idea. Supernatural realms. Some theorists propose the Triangle's disappearances point to the interference of ghosts, spirits, ocean deities, mythical sea creatures, or other supernatural residents disturbing the natural order. Ancient folklore of the Bermuda Triangle area told stories of stormy weather spirits and deadly whirlpools. Proponents argue these paranormal forces still operate today, vanishing ships and planes outside rational explanation. Reincarnation themes argue lost souls may become trapped in dimensional pockets, ripe for supernatural storylines but lacking evidence. While captivating fuel for the imagination, the more fanciful paranormal theories depend entirely on anecdotal accounts or witness testimony of questionable reliability. Furthermore, they operate on the principle of dismissing any potential rational explanation, no matter how mundane. Without tangible physical evidence or instrumentation data to validate their claims, the supernatural explanations remain squarely in the fictional domain in most rational observers' opinions. Data and evidence on Triangle disappearances. Much of the fascination and mythos around the Bermuda Triangle stems from exaggerated assumptions over disappearance rates in the area compared to standard global shipping averages. However, statistical assessments of actual disappearances paint a more mundane picture. Several fact-based studies contrast sharply with the sensational mystery narratives. Lloyd's of London data. The maritime insurers at Lloyd's of London catalogued all shipping losses covered by their policies in the 20th century. Their exhaustive records showed no anomalous disappearances or losses from sailings within the Bermuda Triangle area, versus global averages when adjusted for traffic volumes. Oceanographic data. The U.S. Navy and commercial organizations systematically survey the major Atlantic shipping lanes each decade, assessing seafloor topography, currents, and geological features. Their extensive mapping efforts show no areas with inexplicable hazards, with the region's seabed and hydrology aligning with expected patterns. Sensors can detect anomalous readings like electromagnetic fields through the water, but find none of significance repeatedly. Coast Guard statistics. Analysis of disappearances investigated and recorded by the U.S. Coast Guard shows the Triangle experiences fewer casualties than in many other maritime zones with heavy traffic levels. Data from 1951 to 1980 shows 428 lives lost in the Triangle, but 144 of those stemmed from a single freak hurricane. Meanwhile, major hurricane-prone areas like Cape Hatteras lost over 600 mariners from 1926 to 1972. The evidence suggests no unique dangers. NOAA assessments, detailed mapping and modeling by civilian agencies has uncovered the region's major source of risk: swift, unpredictable weather changes. The Triangle sits at the convergence of major air and sea currents, generating a volatility of temperatures and pressure systems which spawn sudden storms, swells, waterspouts, and intense winds without warning. Especially in earlier eras, this flux of conditions likely overcame many ships. However, NOAA assesses these are normal maritime hazards, not supernatural or geometric forces. USS Indianapolis sinking, one of the most notorious disappearances, the sinking of the USS Indianapolis after delivering atomic bomb materials during WITU, provided investigators a clearer understanding of hazards in the region. Shark attacks and hypothermia killed most survivors over days adrift until Air Force bombs accidentally detected them. Analyzing the removals and hazards faced led to better maritime practices and safety procedures to mitigate such dangers across all oceans, not just the Triangle. Modern empirical assessments of the Triangle region by credible maritime organizations find no consistent vector of unexplainable phenomena causing disappearances or incidents. While tragic disasters will always occur occasionally in any high-traffic area, ongoing analysis shows these incidents arise from identifiable causes amenable to safety improvements. The dearth of real evidence has deflated the mystery dimensions for serious analysts, even as pop culture continues to mine the sensational narratives for profit. Legacy of the Bermuda Triangle as a cultural phenomenon. Regardless of the prosaic realities borne out by statistics and analysis, the Bermuda Triangle has cemented itself in popular culture as an indelible presence. Even skeptics acknowledge the area generates an aura of mystery arising from the long history of colorful disappearances and hearsay accounts. This abiding resonance derives from successful marketing through entertainment media and people's instinctual fascination with the unknown. The Triangle persists as a shared phenomenon provoking imagination. Entertainment and storytelling. Many entertainment franchises made fortunes propagating and embellishing the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries to the public. Successful books, television specials, films, and documentaries expanded accounts into compelling narratives filled with suspense, plot twists, and supernatural theorizing. The Triangle proved a durable villain to pit protagonists against, as well as fodder for unsolved mystery programming. Its versatility allowed writers and producers to refine stories into tropes. Tourism and travel. In addition to entertainment products, the Bermuda Triangle heritage impacts actual travel and tourism. Cruise lines promote their Bermuda voyages through the Triangle region as exciting adventures. Investigative tours and exploration companies arose to provide excursions into the Triangle by both sea and air. Major resorts commodify the phenomenon in architecture and decor. With captivated audiences eager to connect physically to the mystery, the Triangle transcended fiction into marketing campaigns. Enduring public fascination. Beyond profit motives, the Bermuda Triangle taps into deeper human instincts around existential curiosity and uncertainty. Its tales of unexplained disappearances speak to the fragility of human knowledge and the boundaries of rational explanation. Tales of bizarre instrument failures personify anxieties over technology's reliability and limitations. Extraterrestrial theories activate both hopes and fears regarding alien contact. In short, the Triangle aligns with many anchoring motifs igniting continued captivation. Educational discourse. On a more profound level, the Bermuda Triangle mysteries sparked substantive educational discourse around data analysis, probability assessments, fallacy detection, and healthy scientific skepticism. Debunking narratives of the triangle in the classroom modeled skills around critiquing seductive accounts filled with rhetorical fallacies. Attention to pattern-seeking biases and overlooking base rates proved teachable moments. In this respect, analyzing the Bermuda Triangle phenomenon provides pedagogic value apart from its pop culture cache. The triangle phenomena may have prosaic explanations rooted in expected natural hazards and human frailties, not otherworldly forces. However, its legacy as a commercial and cultural industry is secure. The human appetite for tales of fantasy, the unknown, and the infinite lives on in this mysteriously branded patch of ocean. The Bermuda Triangle provides both an educational case study and an evocative brand for storytellers to profit from while fueling shared public imagination. Lesser-known incidents and theories of the Bermuda Triangle. Uncharted waters, forgotten mysteries, early navigational challenges, exploration of early sea voyages that encountered the triangle's mysterious conditions before the area gained notoriety. This could include lesser-known diary entries or logs from sailors in the 16th to 18th centuries. The Ellen Austin encounter on 1881. An examination of the Ellen Austin's encounter with a derelict ship, which, when towed, supposedly disappeared under mysterious circumstances, possibly adding a ghost ship legend to the triangle's lore. The Connemara 4 mystery, detailing the 1955 case of the Connemara 4, a pleasure yacht found adrift without its crew, untouched and with all personal belongings intact, fueling speculation about sudden and unexplained disappearances. The fringe theories, cryptids and sea monsters, a dive into maritime folklore and reports of sea monsters within the triangle, examining how these tales have contributed to the mystique and fear surrounding the area. Atlantis connection, discussing theories that link the Bermuda Triangle to the mythical city of Atlantis, including speculation about underwater crystal energies and advanced technology causing disturbances. The psychic vortex, an exploration of psychic and spiritual theories that propose the triangle as a portal to higher dimensions or a gathering spot for psychic energy. Despite the Bermuda Triangle's fame for mysterious disappearances, several lesser-known aspects contribute to its enigma. One intriguing theory revolves around magnetic anomalies. The Earth's magnetic North Pole and geographic North Pole do not align, creating discrepancies in compass readings. This is especially relevant in the Bermuda Triangle due to an agonic line that passes nearby, where magnetic and geographic north align. Mariners accustomed to compensating for magnetic deviation might find themselves making navigational errors near this line, potentially leading to incidents when navigating the shallow waters and hidden shoals of the Caribbean Sea. Another lesser-discussed phenomenon is the possibility of undersea methane deposits releasing massive bubbles. These could theoretically turn the ocean into a frothy soup that lacks the buoyancy to support ships, leading to sinkings. However, evidence suggests the last significant release of methane in the area occurred around 15,000 years ago, casting doubt on its relevance to modern disappearances. Rogue waves, another natural occurrence, have also been considered a potential hazard in the Bermuda Triangle. These sudden, massive waves can rise significantly higher than surrounding water, potentially capsizing or breaking ships. While rogue waves are recognized as a maritime threat, definitive links to Bermuda Triangle incidents remain unproven. Recent developments and scientific advances in understanding the Bermuda Triangle, modern disappearances and incidents. A 21st century catalog, overview of any notable disappearances, shipwrecks, or aviation incidents within the Triangle from the last 2 decades, focusing on those not widely reported in mainstream media. Recent rescue operations, insights into successful search and rescue operations in the Triangle area, highlighting advancements in technology and coordination that have improved safety. Cutting-edge research and explanations. Satellite surveillance. How recent satellite technology has been used to monitor the Bermuda Triangle, offering new insights into weather patterns and sea conditions that could explain past mysteries. Deep sea exploration. Updates on underwater explorations and discoveries within the Triangle, including any findings related to methane hydrates, underwater topography, or sunken vessels that provide clues to the area's hazards. Climate change impacts. Analysis of how changing global climate conditions might be affecting weather patterns, sea currents, and navigational hazards in the Bermuda Triangle, potentially leading to new kinds of incidents. Revitalizing the narrative. Public perception and media. Discussion on how recent documentaries, social media, and scientific publications have influenced public perception of the Bermuda Triangle, moving the narrative away from supernatural explanations. Future directions for research. an outlook on what future technological advancements and scientific research might reveal about the Bermuda Triangle, suggesting areas where mysteries remain and where further investigation is warranted. Recent advancements in technology and meteorology have greatly demystified the Bermuda Triangle. Modern navigational tools such as GPS have virtually eliminated the risk of becoming lost at sea or in the air by providing precise positional information. Additionally, real-time weather forecasting has enabled pilots and seafarers to avoid severe weather conditions, further reducing the risk of incidents in the triangle. The U.S. Coast Guard has explicitly stated that it does not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a geographic area of specific hazard, treating incidents there as it would in any other part of the Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a heavily trafficked area for both commercial and private vessels and aircraft, thanks to its strategic location connecting North America to Europe, South America, and the Caribbean. The combination of improved ship and aircraft design, along with advanced navigation and weather forecasting technologies, has made travel through the Bermuda Triangle safer and demystified many of the legends surrounding it. While accidents can and do happen, as in any busy area of the world, these incidents are now understood to be the result of natural phenomena or human error rather than mysterious or supernatural forces. The allure of the Bermuda Triangle may persist, fueled by its history and the human fascination with the unknown. However, the latest research and technological advancements have significantly contributed to our understanding of the phenomena associated with the triangle, showing that the real explanations are grounded in science and human factors rather than the paranormal. Conclusion: separating fact from fiction around an iconic myth. After thorough analysis, the Bermuda Triangle stands out as more pop culture fiction than authentic supernatural mystery. The disappearances attributed to a Bermuda Triangle curse reflect no higher frequencies of incidents than experienced in similarly busy maritime traffic corridors worldwide. Scientifically verified causes like unpredictable weather patterns, illicit piracy, human error, technical failures, and navigational misadventures provide perfectly plausible explanations for any elevated disappearances in earlier eras. Examiners have found no credible evidence supporting claims of paranormal events, alien interventions, or bizarre energy fields engulfing the area. Most sensational stories rely on sketchy anecdotal accounts from eras of poor record-keeping, misremembered folklore, and dubious witness testimony rather than verifiable facts. Legitimate maritime organizations systematically mapping the seafloors and monitoring the region detect no inexplicable hazards or anomalous phenomena. Disappearances happen, but at rates consistent with any high-traffic maritime region. While skeptical analysis deflates the triangle mythology, it retains extraordinary power as a cultural phenomenon and touchstone of imagination. Lurid tales of unexplained disappearances proved irresistible to writers and producers able to profit from spinning elaborate supernatural plots based on fragmentary details. Unbound by facts, they tapped into enduring human tendencies to find patterns, advance fanciful theories, and project mysteries onto obscure data. The Bermuda Triangle became a pop culture vessel carrying speculations on everything from alien visitations to eldritch dimensions. As an investigative case study and a consumer branding device, the Bermuda Triangle's relevance persists. Beyond entertainment properties, its aura infuses travel and tourism ventures while triggering continued public fascination. Unraveling the statistical illiteracy and cognitive biases behind exaggerated mystery claims provides pedagogical value. In the end, the Bermuda Triangle remains an object lesson in critical thinking. Yet its brand still inspires imagination and storytelling for profit and delight. The supernatural shadow of the Bermuda Triangle will likely persist long after its prosaic reality is understood. Final thoughts. As we navigate through the mist-shrouded waters of the Bermuda Triangle, separating fact from fiction reveals a tale not of supernatural phenomena, but of human curiosity, error, and the relentless pursuit of understanding. The Bermuda Triangle's lore is a mosaic of history, mystery, and the human condition's complexities, where the lines between natural occurrences and the unknown blur. The real question that emerges from the depths of the Bermuda Triangle isn't about the existence of paranormal activities or alien interventions, but rather, what does our fascination with such mysteries say about us? Why does the human mind gravitate towards unexplainable phenomena, and how do these stories shape our perception of the natural world? Moreover, as technology advances and demystifies previously unexplainable events, how will our narratives about the Bermuda Triangle evolve? Will we ever completely abandon the allure of the unknown, or will new mysteries arise to captivate future generations? In the comments below, share your thoughts on the enduring appeal of the Bermuda Triangle. Do you believe there's still more to uncover, or have we finally separated all fact from fiction? What other mysteries of the world do you think deserve a closer examination, and why? Thank you for navigating the enigmatic waters of the Bermuda Triangle with us. If this journey has enlightened or intrigued you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top Thangs. Dive into the discussion below. What mystery should we explore next? Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be understood. Until next time, keep seeking the truth. Thank you for watching Top Thangs. See you on the next one. Sources: Berlitz Charles, The Bermuda Triangle; Grosset and Dunlap, 1974; Cushy, Lawrence David, The Bermuda Triangle Mystery, Solved; Harper and Row, 1975; Grundon, Trent, Unraveling the Mystery of the Bermuda Triangle; Chicago Review Press, 2019; Gaddis, Vincent, Invisible Horizons, Chilton Books, 1965; Weiner, Richard, The Bermuda Triangle, Classic Cases of the Unexplained, Visible Ink Press, 2018; Quiring FM, The Bermuda Triangle, The Quarterly Journal of the Library of Congress, Volume 2, Number 1, 1945, pp. 1, 14; Harris, Vincent E., The Bermuda Triangle and Beyond; Physics Today, Volume 24, Number 3, 1971, pp. 30, 38, Donley, Michael; The Bermuda Triangle, Sink Rates and Ship Disappearances; The Professional Geographer, Volume 28, Number 1, 1976, pp. 56, 60;